Come on, big lad. Right then, guys, we're doing our last trout fishing episode of the year, and wait till you see what I have devised here. Look at this bad boy then. Yes, I've put the chair on the paddleboard, and I didn't think it was going to be stable, but this is absolutely perfect, and this is just going to enable us to be able to go fishing places we've never fished before, to be able to find places that we've never found before and fish them, you know what I mean? Because when you're throwing from this side over there, it's just way too far, especially with the light lures that you've got to use on here. So we've got this, absolutely amazing. Look at that. So yeah, like I say, guys, we're just going to be throwing some lures today, hoping for the best, finding some beautiful little spots to fish. Let's go see what we can do, shall we? But before you do that, guys, make sure you subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss out on a single thing we've got going this year. Do you know what I mean? Go do it. This is perfect. I don't believe it. We're just going to be able to hit places we've never hit before, that nobody's ever hit before. Let me set clutch on this because it'll blare straight off. This is the life. And even if we get snagged up, all I have to do is sail over to where I'm snagged up and get my lure back. Every now and again I've just got to row a little bit. This has to produce us some fish today, you know. That was a bit too much. It's like over there, you can't throw a lure right over here because the lures are too light. But now we can. Right in there, look. Perfect. Come on. This bird's babies fell in water and it's drowning. No way. It's there, look. No way. It's there. It's gonna die. No way. Don't be dead. Come on, you was just moving a minute ago. Get some breath in you. I saw you moving. Come on. I don't want to touch it. It was just alive. I was just too late. I think he's died. I don't believe it. We was like 12 seconds too late. I don't believe it. He's fully dead. He's not even playing dead. Come on, come back to life. Come back to life. I was just too late. I'm talking 12 seconds. As I saw it, I could see it trying to get out the water, and then its mum's dived on top of it and tried grabbing it. It's missed it. It's still bobbing about. At this, I'm paddling towards it at this point. As I got there, it died. Fish top right behind me. It's there, look. I thought if I just left it out for a little bit, I even tried CPR. This is the most relaxing bit of fishing I have ever done in my life. But a little bit difficult today. I think it's just because there's no sun out. I haven't really seen many fish topping at all. But we'll get one. Don't you worry. You know what, there's some days, you know, I just won't take it. It's weird. Today's one of them days. I've had fish follow it about 4 times, literally within an inch of it, and just laugh at it and swim off. Look, look, they're there. Will they take it? Will the heck? Clearly there. Like I say, this is our last little trouting session. Probably of the year. Gotta catch one. Come on. I literally I was watching one follow it like that for ages. It's happened again, but I'm gonna save this one. Come on. Come on. I will not let this one die. It's the, what is it? It's the magpies. I'm gonna redeem myself. Come on, you have to still be alive. The magpies have killed it. Are you still alive, big lad? This cannot happen to me twice in one day. The magpies. Come back to life. It was alive. This is weird. I have never seen out like it. It's probably just because I'm on water. I had a load of birds chirping, but not like just normal bird chirping like you can hear there, like squawking. And then I've seen a magpie. This hit the water. Don't believe it. Come on, big lad. Dead. Ah. Twice in one day. This was flapping about in the water as well. I think the shock kills them. It has to do. God damn it. That's 2. 2. Have to shovel him off over there. Performing CPR on dead birds. Does anybody know what birds they are? Comment down below if you know which birds they are. Say there was the birds about that big. That actually might be an adult maybe, and the what is it have killed it, because I seen a crow steal some eggs, or steal an egg and fly off before that, and then he had all them birds chirping and that just fell out at tree. did a little flap in water and keeled over. No good, guys. We came close a couple of times. Put the time's up. Spent 4 hours throwing lures for nothing. We did attempt to save some birds' lives in the meantime. The river's open on 16th of June, whatever it is. So we're going to be back normal fishing now. Can't wait. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.